Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 on HP laptop when the SSD hard drive is not detecting the HP X360 model. First we have to power on and you have to connect the Windows installation media and press F9. You have to connect the USB and press F9. It will show the bootable first boot and second boot device. So first we have to see, this is the hard drive which is detected, this is the USB flash drive. So press enter with the USB flash drive. The touchpad doesn't work during the installation, so you have to connect the external mouse, which I have connected, and we don't need any additional USB or additional SSD hard drive. We just need an external, the extra laptop for creating the media. Now this is started. First we have to select next, install. This is just to show you what is the issue in the laptop. The X360 13-inch touchscreen laptop. You have to select accept, next. See, there is no hard drive detected in this one. So now in this case, what we have to do, because I already have the media created, this USB flash drive, you have to connect in the USB port, and you have to go here. If you don't have Windows installation media, you have to select you have to download the Windows 10 installation. Windows 10 download. You have to go to Microsoft website to create the media. This is the site. There are two options here. First is to upgrade the existing Windows, which we don't need as of now. Second option is to create a media installation media, this one. So you have to download a tool. Once it's downloaded, you have to press open, run it. It will give you step-by-step instructions to how to create the media. So as of now we don't need to create the media because we already have the USB created. So you have to create the media first. Now second thing is that after creating the media, you have to go to HP drivers, write HP drivers, search, select the first link, select the laptop, the model number of the laptop is 13 BN. Let me check the laptop. What is the exact model of the laptop? It's written down here. The laptop which I have is 13. Sorry, it's not 13BN, 13BD 000. So better to download this one with 4 zeros. So it's a generic version. It's a series of this, like it will download the laptop for the entire. It will be compatible for the entire series. So you have to press Windows 10. You have to press here Windows 10 2004. 2004 is not the year, it's the version of the Windows 10. Save it. Usually it should be, so you have to press all drivers. In some laptops the driver is here, but you have to check both. If it's not here, the rapid storage should be here. If it's not here in the driver, then go to the chipset. Sorry, chipset. This. Here you have to download this rapid storage driver. Rapid storage driver, you have two drivers here. One is 2021, one is 2020. So download the 2021, which is the latest one. No thanks. Open this one. Open. Yes. Next. Here you have to select the USB. First, the USB should be inserted, and you have to select the USB. You can select E drive. Then you have to write whatever you want to write. After selecting E drive, you write, for example, HP X360 SSD. Here you can write even your name. That doesn't matter. Select next. To create it will copy the Word files. Let it complete. Once it's done, then remove the USB flash. Okay. And connect in the USB port here, and then you have to select this one, refresh. After refresh, you have to select load drivers, then browse, then select the USB flash. Click here, migrate in the folder, select OK. Oh sorry, you have to press browse. First folder here, this one. Press OK. It will show you two drivers. Select this one and press next. It will load the driver for the SSD hard drive. Let it load. Let it complete. It will take like 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, now see, it's showing the hard drive. Now it's showing the hard drive after the hard drive is started appearing here. See the highest number of capacity, the highest capacity partition. So this one, either you can delete all the partitions and you can create the new partition and install. Secondly, you have to see which is the highest number of this is the highest size, 476. This is the main partition. Just select this one and press next. So it will start the installation as usual as the usual installation. It will start the usual installation. So here now I have already installed the Windows in this one. So I will show you. This one. I have used the same method and I have done the Windows installation. It's successfully installed. You can see here this method. Now you have to download all the drivers like touch drivers, mouse driver and all the drivers. So this is completed. This will work like that. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.